Hey everybody, Jacob and Joe here. Hope everyone's 2021 is off to a great start, aside from everything else that's going on. As always, we are very excited to be bringing you information that is valuable to you and your farm. We want to kick off the year by providing you a quick summary of a few updates that we've pushed out before the end of 2020. We're going to quickly look at 3 specific features.
That's right, Joe. So we're going to look at our new truck routing color coding system, which is an easy way to understand the delivery status of shipments. We're going to look at our new finance tool that allows you to actually apply finance fees based on specific terms for specific customers. And lastly, we're also going to look at our new and improved CSV export option, which lets you build customizable reports. We've added a ton of new column headers in there so you can extrapolate all the information that you guys need out of Turf Logistics.
Quickly looking at a few of the new options we talked about here a moment ago, we wanted to first quickly show you the truck color coding system. So going into 2021, we know that spring and summer are going to be pretty busy months, and sometimes you have a ton of different shipments all around the routing screen, and it is a little difficult to quickly distinguish what's what. So what we've done is we've actually added a 3-tiered color code system to the orders. So if you look next to each shipment, you've got a small box. This box in this example is white. White means delivery has not yet started. We actually have a red color, which isn't being used in this model, that actually distinguishes that the delivery has started and it's out for delivery. And lastly, we have a green for go, which means that the object or the product has been delivered. The drivers using the mobile application or someone in the dispatching screen are actually going to dictate how these color codes change throughout the day. But again, when you're having a busy day and you're seeing a number of things, this will be a quick way to reference what's going on with what truck and what the status is. Again, if you have any questions with this, let us know. We are happy to break it down a little further and show you some more examples. The next recent feature we wanted to quickly cover is the option and the ability to actually apply finance fees, whether it's a specific dollar amount or percentage, to past due invoices. This is a new option that can actually be found under farm management. The actual option has to be set up for the farm for it to be used throughout the system. So here at the bottom of this area, we have the option enable finance charge. I went ahead and turned that on. Once the finance charge is on, it can either be applied farm-wide or you can actually apply it on a client level. So here I'm still in farm settings, and you have that option to create that finance charge that you're going to run the client statement and reports on in the future, given your minimum dates and your maximum dates, your frequencies, any grace period that you may add, and then again, either the dollar amount or a percentage. If we jump into a client record, we will actually just quickly update the client and scroll down, and you will see the individual finance charge where you could actually add that to a specific client record. So again, you could click the addition sign here at the top right and add the specific information into the actual customer's record. Throughout the day, the week, the month, the year, you're able to quickly jump into invoice management and now into the finance charge option. You're able to select the number of records that you would like to actually process and generate the charges, and then go ahead and generate charges. It's going to batch do these similar to some of the other tools that we have in Turf Logistics. It may take a moment to apply it to each record, and then you'll actually get a log that will show what the actual fees are. It will then show up actually on the invoices so you can process them as usual, and it'll also generate on the client statement. Again, this is a brief overview. Let us know if you'd love to take a deep dive with this, specifically with your farm's information, and we can show you how to use this new tool. And lastly, we'd like to quickly show you some of the updates we've done to the order export details screen. We've added a number of columns and ways you can truly pull the data that you want to see, throw it into an Excel doc or a CSV, and then kind of manipulate that data the way you want it. So if you're not familiar with this tool, essentially you're building your own spreadsheet in the way that you want to see it. You're able to pull in your minimum and maximum dates. distinguish it by client or the farm as a whole, again by product or all of the products. But the important thing and what we wanted to touch on were some of these new column headers that we've brought in. There's a good bit, so it may take you a little bit of time to kind of go through and find the ones that you actually need. Typically, if there is a field that you do not see, let us know. If it's something that we can bring in, we are happy to do it for you guys. We want to make sure, again, you can get out the information that you guys need to, again, look at the current state of your business and obviously help for planning in the future. You're able to quickly generate the report. It's going to download a CSV. For me, I've got it set to open up with Excel, and here we have details and data right as well. And you can actually go down to generate report. It's going to pull an Excel file or obviously a CSV, and we can pull that data up and then manipulate it, throw it into pivot tables, do whatever you guys want to do with it. Again, the idea is to quickly extrapolate the data that you need, and you need to see it quickly.
This pandemic has shown us how powerful and helpful Turf Logistics truly is. There's a number of farms around the country that had to move to work from home because of local ordinances. Turf Logistics has the ability to keep communication flowing between customers and farms. Regardless of what happens this year, we are dedicated to helping you maintain the status quo and continue growing. If you have hired new staff for 2021 or need a basic refresher, be sure to reach out to us. We can set up a virtual meeting. We are here to help.
Thanks, guys. Look forward to talking to you soon.